All right, so your 12-volt cigarette lighter car charger is not functional right now. You can kind of tell because it's not lit up. When you turn lights on, all this is lit up right here. That one is not. And this issue can be fixed by replacing a fuse in the trunk. That is most likely blown, and that's why this 12-volt charger right here is not functioning. All right, so what you want to do is come to either side of the car, find this panel on the right side, and the fuse we need is not actually in this panel, but there's a tool inside of here that actually helps us get the fuse out. So take the back of your key or a screwdriver, flathead, pop this panel up and off, just like that. It's just some spring-loaded clips back there. And here is the tool right here. So grab that tool. It could be on your driver's side or your passenger side. Let's grab that. All right, so you're gonna climb into the trunk, and on this right side here, you're gonna find the fuse box. And the fuse we're looking for is actually this one right here. It's on the, what is this? This should be A, B, C, D. This should be on D, but in your owner's manual, it should tell you exactly which box it is. For my case, I do not have the owner's manual for this car, so I just went around and actually went through each fuse and found out which one was actually blown, and it is this one here. So take your tool, put it in there, grip onto the fuse, and just pull it straight out. And as you see, it is completely blown, and that is a 15 amp fuse. I've been reading online that it's supposed to be a 20 amp fuse, so maybe that's why it's blown. But the B8 Audi S4 came with a 15 amp, so I'm gonna put a 15 amp back in there. If yours says 20, get the right fuse for your car. But essentially all you do is just take the new fuse and we're gonna replace it right here. And now when we try out the cigarette lighter, it should work. And the little light right here on this charger will let me know if it's working or not. And there you go, it's lit up and fully functional again. If you guys have any questions or need any other advice or tips, drop it down in the comment section below. And this is a 2011 B8 Audi S4, by the way. It should work for A4s, S4s, everything from like 2009 to 2015 probably. But yeah, super easy fix.